Okay, let's dive into this explainer. Today, we're unpacking the ultimate blueprint for powerful AI agent workflows.
Basic prompting, super linear and kind of frustrating, but agentic workflows form a powerful, iterative loop of continuous improvement.
So the crucial point is Andrew Ng's 4 design patterns. Just remember the mnemonic, red turtles paint murals.
The R is reflection. This is where an AI basically acts as its own strict quality control inspector. It writes some code, spots a glaring mistake on line 5, and just autonomously fixes it on the fly. Next up is tool use. This gives our AI specialized outside abilities that go way beyond just text. Giving an AI access to things like web search or a calendar, it dramatically expands what it can do. Instead of guessing the math, it grabs a code execution tool to perfectly calculate your compound interest. Then we have planning. The AI steps up as a project manager, independently breaking down really complex goals. Like it can figure out the exact steps to turn a static picture into a fully narrated audio clip.
So that raises a question. Why not just use one massive AI to do absolutely everything for us?
Well, just like human teams, a specialized crew of AIs gets way better results than one overloaded bot. Picture a dedicated writer agent collaborating perfectly with a strict editor agent to crush a shared goal. Y Combinator sees a massive shift coming here. Are you going to build the next billion-dollar AI agent business?